happy Thanksgiving to everyone out there. For those Americans, it's Thanksgiving. For us here in Canada, it's Thanksgiving weekend. So happy Thanksgiving. Hope everyone has something to be thankful for and happy about this long weekend.
What do you have to be thankful for, Winnie?
I am thankful for life.
Oh, that's good.
I am thankful for family, for my mama. Thankful for you.
Oh.
Thankful for being able to get an education. Thankful for my job. Thankful for my car.
Your phone.
I'm very thankful for my phone. I'm thankful for my iPad. Yep.
Cool.
Yeah, what about you?
I'm thankful for lots of stuff.
Like what?
Friends, family, life, the weather. Well, today wasn't a good
Today's
example, but
not a very good.
I'm still thankful for it. You need days like this every now and then, too.
Yep.
It's raining, by the way. That's
Yeah,
why.
it's raining and crappy out there. Kinda looks like that. You know what? It actually looks really bright in the camera, which kind of makes us seem like liars,
Yeah.
but it's not. As you can see on the barbecue, it's pretty wet.
It's actually just a
patio.
gorgeous day out there.
We're just making it up.
Yeah, we just suck.
Yep. So anyway,
And I'm thankful for you.
Ew, gross.
Turn it off. I should have given a warning.
You should have.
I apologize.
Whatevs. So anyway,
Warning, sexual content may have just happened.
we just went from G to like R.
No, I would hope not.
YouTube would just flag us. Anyway, so we were invited to my cousin's for Thanksgiving dinner. And I figured since I'm trying to pretend I'm a grown woman now, I might as well offer to bring something. So I am making a spicy firecracker shrimp, courtesy of Pinterest, as usual. I think my entire recipe list is usually courtesy of Pinterest. So, this recipe seems pretty easy. You're supposed to start off by making a marinade for the shrimp. The marinade consists of, it's for 12 jumbo shrimp, and I'm making about 30, so we're going to kind of, almost triple the recipe's request. So anyway, we're going to start off with 9 tablespoons of sriracha hot sauce. I don't know if Dave will be able to handle this, but I hope so. Where do you go?
I'm over here, what's up?
Oh, you didn't hear me just call you out?
I wasn't paying attention to that.
Okay. I said there are 9 tablespoons of hot sauce in this. I don't know if you can handle that.
Oh, I got it.
Sure?
No.
I lost count. Uh-oh. I think that's about 7. We'll pretend that was 7. There's 8 and there's 9. Followed by 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. So, 1, 2, and 3. Followed by it's supposed to be 2.5 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Man, I'm gonna lose count of my tripling here and screw up at some point. I hope not. So 3. That's 1. Nope, I didn't. No, it's supposed to be 1.5. See, I'm already losing count. 2 tablespoons. Oh, yep, I just went way too far. Man, I suck. Followed by 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. I'll just use a little bit less than a full tablespoon. I'm out of sesame oil. That's no good. Followed by 3 cloves of garlic. Wow. So in this case, that's 9. We're gonna cheat today because I can. Oops, that was not cool. Yikes, yikes, yikes. Okay, so I was saying 9 of these, so that's good. That seems like enough garlic. Zest and juice of half a lime. I'm gonna use lemon juice because you don't have lime or lime juice. There. That's a full tablespoon of lemon juice. And now I need 3 tablespoons of sugar. I don't know if I should use brown sugar or white sugar. I guess I should use white because it would have probably indicated brown sugar if they wanted brown. So that's 3 tablespoons. It's about 1, 2, and 3. I've never made like a big thing like this for Thanksgiving. I've made shrimp before for Thanksgiving dinner, but it was like it was a garlic shrimp recipe, and it was really good, and I'd already perfected it. But this I've never done before, so hopefully it turns out well, or Dave and I will be eating crappy shrimp for the next little while. Okay, salt and pepper to taste. Let's just do a little. Salt, just a little bit of salt. Should be good. So now we mix this up. Directly into the bowl, zest the lime, and stir all the ingredients well. Okay. Toss the shrimp in the bowl and gently mix them around with a spoon to coat them well in the marinade. I have 28 pieces of jumbo shrimp in my marinade. Oh, this looks yummy. So now I'm supposed to let this sit for about 30 minutes in the fridge. Now it's time to prepare my egg roll wrappers. Bought a bag. Looks like this. Does it say how many? No. Yeah, so it doesn't say how many pieces of wraps we have in here, so we'll see. I need 28. And in order to make the 28, I'm going to be using 14 because it's supposed to be like you take a single one and cut it in half. So, yeah, I'll only be using 14. One. And we're left with 4 pieces. So 28 done, and I'm left in here with 4 pieces of egg roll wrappers. So not bad. So that means I got how many in the bag? That's 14 plus 4. I had 28. Huh. So 28 full sized egg roll wrappers came in a package. So, go. Throw that back in the fridge and done. So now we wait for about 20 minutes or so for the shrimp to marinate a little bit longer. And we're back. So it's been about 30 minutes since the shrimp was put in the fridge to marinate. So now we start the process of rolling and frying. Rolling and frying. So let us begin by heating the oil on the frying pan. supposed to be enough oil to cover 3/4 of the shrimp, if not all. Grab a shrimp and put it right here and start rolling away. Oh boy. I sure do make this look a lot easier in the photo. Just saying. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to fold that way. And then I'm going to seal it. Apparently that's what I'm supposed to do, is use that to seal. So, done. 2. So either I suck at wrapping, oh, I do suck at wrapping. They wrapped it differently. It's okay, I like my technique better.